Hi, I'm Charmila. I'm the founder of Earth and Wellness Ayurveda. Today, I just wanted to talk to you very briefly about the aloe vera plant. This is a very easy plant to grow. It does not require too much of maintenance. They grow extremely well in pots, and they're very drought resistant. They don't need too much of watering. So even if you've forgotten to water these plants, for 3 or 4 days, they will sustain pretty well on their own, and they don't require too much of sunshine, and they can grow very easily in pots as well. So the aloe vera plant in Ayurveda has a lot of benefits. The aloe vera plant is used quite extensively in Ayurveda, not just for beauty purposes, but also used for health and wellness purposes as well. So typically, the aloe vera gel is stored in the leaf of the aloe vera plant. The leaves are very thick. So when you're breaking the leaf from the plant, what you will notice is you will notice this yellow sap that oozes out from the end of the leaf. So allow the yellow sap to drain away. Do not touch the yellow sap because that may cause some irritation to sensitive skin. And once that yellow sap drains away, you can actually extract the gel from the leaf. So the leaf is quite thick, and this is the aloe vera leaf. So what you need to do is you can just do slit. You can just slit right across the center of the leaf and remove the gel from the leaf. And this gel can be stored. It can be refrigerated, and it can also be applied directly onto your skin. And the good thing about the aloe vera gel is it has a lot of calming properties. It soothes your skin. It gives you that nice glow, and you do not even have to mix the aloe vera gel with anything else. It can just be applied directly onto the skin, and it works as a face mask and gives you that very nice rejuvenated look after you use the aloe vera gel. In addition, in case you have any itching or any burning or any form of rashes, you could just use the aloe vera gel directly onto the affected areas, and that calms your skin. That acts, pretty much as an antiseptic. So that's got very good healing properties as well. You can also consume the aloe vera gel. You can consume this first thing in the morning. So you can take a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, mix it with 200 ml lukewarm water, and have it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. And what the aloe vera gel does is it's an excellent laxative. So it boosts up your metabolic activity, it increases your digestion, it improves your digestion. And in addition to all this, it's an excellent antioxidant, and antioxidants are very good for you. So the benefits of growing aloe vera in your garden are quite immense. As I said, they're used not just in the beauty and the cosmetic industry, they're also used in the health and wellness industry, and we use it quite extensively in Ayurveda. In fact, we use it very extensively in some of the facials that we do at Earth and Wellness as well. So I do strongly recommend that you do grow these aloe vera plants in your garden. In case you need any assistance in growing these plants, do contact Sheila. She's the owner of Cinnamon Garden Designs, and I'm sure she can, chart out a plan for your garden. But this is a great plant, and I strongly recommend that you have this plant in your garden. Thank you so much.